What are some opportunities you can seek with PMP certification? Obtaining your PMP, Project Management Professional, certification is a milestone for your career. It is one of the most recognized project management certifications. It gives you skills that are useful and which make you stand out in your resume. If you are planning on obtaining your PMP, knowing what types of careers you can have with it is useful. Some careers that you can get after you obtain your PMP certification, and how it can lead you to getting hired, are detailed below. 1. Project Coordinator. What they do: a project coordinator keeps the project manager and team on track. They develop timelines, review how things are progressing, and will most likely use tools such as spreadsheets to remain organized. Getting a PMP certification can make one more likely to land this job. 2. Project Portfolio Manager, PPM. What they do: a PPM aligns and tracks numerous projects simultaneously. They are directed by business leaders and incorporate project objectives into a single master plan. They also make sure that the appropriate individuals are working on the most important parts of each project. 3. Project Director. What they do: a project director oversees all the projects within an organization. They know what's going on with ongoing projects and plan for future ones. They keep teams on track and see that things get done right. PMP certification prepares you to work on multiple projects simultaneously. 4. Product Owner. What they do: a product owner helps the team create a product correctly. They ensure the team knows the target and help to keep the project on time. In case the customer has some doubts, the product owner clarifies and keeps the individuals informed. 5. Project Manager Consultant. What they do: a project management consultant consults with companies on how to better manage their projects. They may help with planning, timelines, and budgets. With a PMP, you can work either full-time for a large corporation or help many companies as an independent expert. 6. Engineering Project Manager. What they do: managers here work with engineers to fix issues and create new products. They oversee the projects from start to finish and ensure the end product is acceptable to the customer. They also communicate with customers and incorporate their feedback to improve. Simple steps to obtain PMP certification. If you want to get PMP certified, the below are the steps that you must take. 1. Check if you qualify. Before you enroll for the PMP exam, ensure that you are eligible. You must be in either of the two groups: Group 1, a 4-year college degree, 35 hours of project management training; Group 2, a high school diploma or associate's degree, 35 hours of project management training. 2. Discuss your work experience and education. Secondly, you will need to write about your educational and work history. Be sure to note where you studied and worked, as well as what kind of project management work you performed. Get specific and concise. This will make your application acceptable. 3. Fill out the application. Save your work after revising it, and attempt to finish it ahead of schedule. That way, you can revise if you must. 4. Wait for approval. Once you have submitted your application, the Project Management Institute, PMI, will review it. This takes about 5 business days. If they require additional information, they might request that you resubmit more information or verify your references. 5. Reserve your exam. After you get approved, you can pay for the exam fee and set a test date. Attempt to set your test date early so you have plenty of time to study. Conclusion: obtaining your PMP certification will take time and effort, but it will be worthwhile. It will allow you to learn new things, enhance your career, and earn good job prospects. If you adhere to the steps and remain committed, you can achieve your certification and become a good project manager. So, start today. Your future starts now. Struggling? iCertGlobal provides easy PMP training with lessons, practice exams, and supportive guidance. Sign up with iCertGlobal today and start your journey to becoming a project manager.